24/3/2024 एक कंप्लेन आसली आमकां कलंगूट पुलीस स्टेशनार रिगार्डिंग असॉल्ट ऑन टुरिस्ट बेंगलोरचे ते टुरिस्ट येयल्ले आनी ते एका शेकार बसलेले आनी शेकार बसलेले म्हणून वेटर विचारपाक गेलो बाबा हांगा कित्याक बसला तुमी सो तोंडाक तोंड जालें आनी वाद जालो आनी मागीर वेटरांनी सगळ्या मेळोन ते टुरिस्टाक एसॉल्ट केलो आनी तेजे तकलेचेर तो रॉड मारलो अम्ब्रेला आसता पळय सन अम्ब्रेला आसता तेजो रॉड काडून तेजे तकलेर मारलो आनी बरीच झगडी जाली थंय सो ही हॅड ए व्हेरी ब्लिडींग इंजरी ऑन द वायटल पार्ट दॅट इज ऑन हीज हेड सो ऑन दॅट बेसीस वी रिकॉर्डेड हीज कंप्लेन एंड रजिस्टर्ड एन FIR अगेन्स्ट the waiters and the shack owners under attempt to murder. It was a very serious offence. And we arrested 2 and we have taken 5 days police custody of said staff, waiters. And arrest जावपाचे आहा. On that basis, we had called a meeting of all the shack owners right from Baga to Sikeri, especially Kalangut area. Baga area is very quiet and Sikeri is very cooperative shack owners are there. First 1-2 shack owners आहा त्याच्या खातीर हो सगळो प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो आहा. Last time also there was an offence registered against the same shack where waiters assaulted tourists. The FIR is registered and it has been charge sheeted. And on this present case we have also sent a report against the state shack and it is learned that they have suspended the license through newspapers. On that basis we had called all the shack owners and we have briefed them that you have no right to assault any customer though they are intoxicated after having all the drinks. You can only hold them, keep them and call police. तुमकां कसोच रायट ना असॉल्ट करपाक. सो वी हॅव टेकन स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन आनी ताका स्ट्रिक्टली सांगलेलें आहा की हॅन्सफोर्थ परत अशें जायत जाल्यार सेम लिगल कायदेशीर कारवाय जातली and their license will be suspended to tourism department.